This video will help you with the installation of the VNS2710 wireless corridor dome light. Before beginning your installation, please make sure to have the following items nearby: a marker, screwdrivers, electric drill, drywall saw, and single gang low voltage mounting bracket. First, let's get familiar with the VNS2710 connections. On the back of the unit, there is a DC power input terminal, USB port for programming, and a modular DC power connector. The VNS2710 can be powered using its power adapter, external DC power of 6 to 20 volts, or a 12-volt PoE adapter. The VNS2710 is designed to be installed on a wall, most times on the upper area of a door frame. The most appealing way for the installation is on a drywall with a DC power extension cable running inside of the drywall and the AC adapter connection above the ceiling line. When selecting a location to install the VNS2710, make sure there is a nearby AC power outlet. If needed, the power extension cable that comes with the unit will provide up to 10 feet of additional distance from an AC outlet. Verify that the selected installation area is clear of any electrical and HVAC lines. If an AC power outlet is not available, an alternate power option is to use a PoE solution to provide the power to a VNS2710 equipped with that option. Position the mounting bracket above the door frame and mark a rectangle cut on the drywall. The bracket should be mounted vertically. Use the drywall saw to cut a rectangle opening in the drywall and secure the mounting bracket to the drywall. Run the DC power extension cable into the drywall and pull the DC jack end outside of the mounting bracket. Use 2 screws to secure the VNS2710 wall mounting bracket to the wall. Note the up marking on the bracket. Insert the power adapter connector into the DC jack on the back of the VNS2710. Place the VNS2710 unit on its mounting bracket and make sure the unit is straight, locked, and flush with the wall. If needed, use a flathead screwdriver to push the locking tab at the bottom of the VNS2710 to unlock and release the unit from its wall mounting bracket. Plug the VNS2710 power adapter into the AC outlet. The installation is done and the VNS2710 is ready to be tested.